So this week was a down week where the entire family was sick all at once. So while I didn't get to finish the video that I wanted to put out, I did have a thought come to mind today. Because while this week it's probably going to be memorable, it's not going to be memorable because it was fun. I did take a little bit of time and look at pictures and videos from this last year that were definitely more fun in the memory department. The funny thing is the things that stood out to me were more of the smaller memories, the smaller things that went along with it. Like the feeling like you were thawing out when the seasons changed. Sun is feeling so good, it's like thawing everything out. Or a simple walk around camp, or a drive in the car, or preparing a meal. It was often the simple things that made me smile. The funny thing about these moments is they might seem small or almost insignificant as they pass, but looking back, they are the best times, the best memories, the things you truly cherish. So my goal this year is to live more of these moments, to capture more, to remember more of the details. I don't guarantee much or promise many things, but I can guarantee that this is one goal that I have this year that I will not regret.